Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Thought I'd show you a project that I'm working on. This is for 650 chickens. So here's going to be rooster pens as soon as we get this aquaponic stuff out of the way. And then you come through here, and this from the tree to there is going to be another pen with a door right here. But then you come over here, I built this whole carport in, and this is the yard. The chain link is like 60 by 100. And then, if I can get this gate open, you come in here, and this will be the main nesting area. And I built all these nesting boxes. So there's over 100 of them, but it is 650 chickens. So I'm getting there, but here's the big surprise. Hopefully you can see. This was going to be the rooster area, 2 different coops, but his brooder box, which I built, was 8 by 8, and this is only about half the chicks. We just moved them in here today, split them up because they're outgrowing that 8 by 8 box. That's a lot of chickies. Well, just thought y'all might like to see that and see where I'm working a lot, trying to get this place done. That was a lot of nesting boxes. Hopefully they don't lay their eggs on the ground. Say goodbye to the chickies. All right, everyone. Adios and God bless.